Hello everyone, my name is Mike Dolges. I'm here to present my Module 1 Screencast. I was recently hired this past school year at Indiana Area School District to teach middle school technology education to grades 6 through 8. Previously, I had taught for 15 years at Admiral Perry Vocational Technical School where I taught engineering technology. While at Admiral Perry, we were highly successful in a STEM-based combat robotics program known as Bots IQ. My life outside of school is primarily focused on family. I enjoy spending time with my wife Michelle and our two sons Luke and Landon, who are 7 and 4 years old. My personal hobbies include hunting, fishing, and fast cars. My operational definition of STEM, I believe, parallels that which Vasquez highlights on page 4, in which STEM is an interdisciplinary approach to learning that removes traditional barriers and integrates them into real-world learning experiences for students. Many experts believe that technology and engineering are often overlooked because traditionally math and science has been included in the school curriculum, and this is according to Vasquez on page 9. However, much of what I had taught in my prior teaching placement and my current position had engineering design as a focal point, with science, math, and technology acting as a supporting cast. I view engineering as being at the heart or middle of the acronym, and the other areas are used in concert to arrive at viable solutions. According to the STEM integration in K-12 video, engineering depends on findings from science, the application of math, and the use of technological tools. As I mentioned earlier, I take an engineering design and problem-solving approach to STEM education in my junior high tech ed classes. The engineering design process that you see here is the one that I use in my junior high classes, and it is very much similar to the one that was presented in the module. One of the activities that I do with my 7th grade technology education class is called Transportation System Design. The students are presented with the engineering design problem of designing the most efficient system of transporting a clothespin a distance of 20 feet along a fishing line. Students must think critically when choosing materials to achieve the fastest and cheapest design. The students build a prototype and perform multiple tests while collecting time and distance data. Once final testing is complete, students use their data to perform calculations for speed and efficiency. Science concepts involving Newton's laws are utilized, math computation is used, and transportation technology is explored. These three disciplines come together and are applied within the engineering design process. I also like to incorporate a bit of career awareness and career education within this activity. I place the students in the role of an engineer so they can begin thinking about the possibility of engineering as a career choice. Vasquez on page 50 says to encourage students to use the terms engineer and engineering in situations where it is necessary to think creatively to solve a problem, to meet people's needs, or achieve a goal. Looking at the STEM practices that are used in my transportation system design activity, you can see the ones that I have highlighted here on the right. And then moving on to why I feel STEM education is important. I believe we are limiting the learning potential by teaching the disciplines as standalone courses. The content is more meaningful when students can apply the disciplines to real-world applications and realize how the disciplines are interconnected. I agree with Vasquez on page 17, where he states that it is the connection between disciplines that is important in the opportunities that students have to deepen their conceptual understandings by applying what they have learned in different settings. STEM is extremely important beyond the classroom setting as well. According to Neil Tyson from the video, it is necessary to become scientifically and mathematically literate in order to be valuable to employers. STEM will be the drivers of tomorrow's economy. The connection of STEM fields and financial stability of a nation needs to be established. According to Tyson, that connection is broken and we are not trained to think that way. The goals I have for this course: I hope to expand my knowledge base of what STEM education looks like and learn about the different approaches people take with STEM education in their classrooms. I want to be able to take what I learn and be able to apply it to my own classroom setting. Thank you for watching, and my favorite cartoon character is Bugs Bunny.